Hey, everyone. How's it going? My name is Henry. In this video, I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about Claritox Pro before you decide to buy it. Plus, I have some important warnings for you, so make sure to stick around until the end to avoid losing your money. First things first, be careful about where you buy Claritox Pro. Right now, this product is only available on the official website. To make things easier, I've dropped the link to the official site in the video description below and pinned it in the first comment. I'm here in the corner of the screen to share my personal review and let you know if Claritox Pro really works based on my experience. What is Claritox Pro? Claritox Pro is a dietary supplement designed to support your body's various systems and restore hormonal balance. It works by helping your body eliminate harmful toxins like heavy metals and pesticides, as well as excess lactic acid in the muscles. This detoxification process helps keep your body clean and functioning at its best. Claritox Pro Ingredients. The formula is packed with natural ingredients that target fungal spores, which are biological particles that contribute to the growth and spread of fungi. Some key ingredients in Claritox Pro include Alpha-lipoic Acid, green tea, zinc, cayenne pepper, and more. Claritox Pro benefits. Claritox Pro is a comprehensive supplement that provides a wide range of health benefits. By consistently using it, you can see significant improvements in your life. Here are some of the benefits. Supports brain health. Reduces dizziness and helps prevent injuries caused by balance issues. Boosts your immune system. Works quickly, with noticeable results in about 2 weeks. Free of side effects and non-addictive. Enhances the sense of touch, temperature, and pain perception. Aids in treating nerve damage from diabetes. Improves blood circulation, enhancing oxygen and nutrient delivery to nerves. Helps clear brain fog. Where to buy Claritox Pro? Currently, you can only purchase Claritox Pro from its official website. It's not available on third-party sites like Amazon or eBay. Be aware that due to the high demand, there are fake versions of Claritox Pro circulating on other websites and even in some retail stores.